Alright, what's going on, guys? T-Torres back here for another video. We are finally in Florida. I just finished doing the epoxy floor, the garage. The car looks absolutely amazing in here. Just take a look. Look how big my garage is. Oh, and not to mention, I'm gonna have a product review on all the electronic, cordless lawn equipment that I got. That's a conversation for another piece, because there should be a push more right here. But Lowe's, thank you so much for making this right. Let's go ahead and open the garage. I just want to give you guys a little update. I'm not MIA from YouTube. I've had a lot of unpacking to do in the garage and in the house, getting everything set up. I'm about 95% done. Florida is just absolutely gorgeous. I live on a nice dead-end street. There's a lot available beside me that someone's going to buy eventually one day. But let's talk for a moment on this floor. This was a chore, and I still don't feel 100% about everything that I did here. You know, brand new garage, brand new concrete. I acid etched the concrete, let it sat for a day, and then I epoxied it and did the chips. But I don't know, it just didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to. This square is a little bit darker than this square. I don't know, lesson learned. Yeah, but it is what it is. It ain't no big deal. But I do want to let you guys know that I do have 2 mods that are coming to this car that are going to be installed hopefully this week, if not within the next 5 or 6 days. There are a couple of those left. I'll let you guys check out the house as it sits. It's a little messy. I'm still moving in. Here's all the epoxy stuff that I was doing for the garage floor. Still moving everything in, still a mess. I packed all my dishes and stuff in microfiber towels because I have 100 of those. So here's a view of the living room. I have yet to get my trash can, so everything is in, like all my trash is in a box. I don't know if you saw out at the curb, but there's trash there. Here's the living room. This is going to be my office / study. We have a guest bedroom here. We have a nice bathroom here. Okay, and then here's all the stuff for my garage. Let you guys in on a little sneak peek. If you can read what that box is, comment down below if you think you know what that is. And then we have one other surprise that's under all this stuff too, that's also going to be going on the car. So eventually all this stuff is going to be going into my garage. I just had to get the garage situated so I can epoxy the floor, and then all this stuff is going to go outside. Alright, so funny story is, I bought this refrigerator and I bought a stainless steel water line, and I over tightened it too much, so we have no water ice. Thankfully GE is coming out to fix that within the next couple of days. There's the master bedroom. It's still a mess from getting unpacked. Here's my nice big backyard. Okay, nice beautiful big backyard. I've just got done washing all the stuff from all the brushes and stuff from all the epoxy paint. So I have a really nice beautiful backyard covered in a bunch of woods, and there's actually, I've seen bear prints. My realtor told me that I should watch out for the bear prints, so let me see if they're still here, if they got washed away. Alright, so let's see if the bear prints are still here. I don't think so, but I was showing my family right along here there was actual bear tracks, and I was like, no way. Then one of my buddies who also lives here, has a Ring doorbell, he showed me a video of a mama bear and 4 cubs coming up to the house, knocking their trash can over and taking the trash straight out. So that's definitely something that I have to get used to. Let's go ahead and shut this. So I'm not MIA off YouTube. I've just been trying to get all settled in the house. I'm absolutely loving my home. Got a lot of little small projects that I want to do. Car's looking good. I just love how freaking big this garage is. Then here is the other side of the house itself. My car hasn't been in the garage for like 3 days. and I'm so happy she's finally able to be in here. So like I said, like I showed you in one of the bedrooms, we have the MA Performance oil cooler coming, and then we have the Acuity Stage 3 shifter coming. So be on the lookout for those install videos coming soon. I'm going to be filming those within the next week or so. Unfortunately, I do not have trash cans yet. Waste Pro here told me that it's going to take me anywhere from, they gave me up to 30 days to get a trash can and recycle bin. So I hate having trash at the end of the road. Now that knowing that we have bears and stuff, having the trash bin out there just makes me think that bears are just going to come in at any time and just tear that up and tear it to pieces and spread it all along the road. One of my good friends Friday night took me to a nice local spot, and we literally drove over the Navarre Bridge, and boom, there was the Gulf right there. It was just so unreal and surreal. I was like, oh my God, I finally live here. I cannot believe that, I live here. The people outside having a good time, playing beach volleyball. They were eating, they were drinking, having a good time. They had live music. One of the bars that we went to actually has that sand floor. They had pool tables. It was just a great atmosphere. A lot of people were welcoming, like, hey, welcome to the city, welcome to the beach. They were talking to me all about fishing, what to do, what not to do, where to go, where not to go. So it was a super welcoming feeling, and I absolutely love it. And I'm super glad to be here. So if you guys do know or follow my Instagram or Facebook, I purchased an all Cobalt 80 volt system. I got the weed eater, the blower, and the rear wheel drive self-propelled lawnmower. But the lawnmower itself had, upon receiving it from shipping, the wheel was bent, one of the arms was bent, and it wasn't right. So thankfully I couldn't fit that lawnmower in the box in my car. Lowe's was kind enough to come out, pick up the lawnmower, the box, the batteries, all that stuff, and they ordered me a new one, and it's going to be shipped within a couple of days and be on its way. So I was able to somehow figure out a way to maneuver the lawnmower still, because I was able to cut grass, because I closed on this house, and then I still had a week or two left in Montgomery, Alabama, and then I came here, so I had to get the grass cut. But from the short period of time that I used the mower, the weed eater and blower, I absolutely love it. It's just phenomenal. It was just mind-blowing how all electric lawnmower, weed eater and blower, just how well it worked. Lightweight, no pulling a rope, no fueling up, just bop. And I got 3 batteries between all 3 pieces of equipment. So I want to give a big shout out to each and every single one of you guys for supporting my channel and liking my content and subscribing to my channel. Because of you all, this is what I'm doing now, and I absolutely love doing it. And I'm so glad that I PCS here to at Herbert Field. Absolutely love this place. I cannot wait to embrace the car community here. Surely it's going to be a lot different than from where I was, and I've heard and I've been told that it is. And yeah, I hate to say this, but I have a little bit of a drive. It's like I don't know. I like to categorize. It's a long drive to the beach. It's all of 2.5 miles. I live from the beach, which really sucks. I hate living that far from the beach, but I'm excited to go to the beach, take some awesome beach photos. I've already been invited to play beach volleyball in a tournament every Sunday. Just everybody here is just so welcoming and awesome, and yeah, I really appreciate that. And I'm going to get back to uploading car content, and I am constantly I have been looking for another build for the channel. It is coming eventually. I'm on leave right now trying to get my house situated, and hopefully from the time that I took off to the time I go back to work, I have a new project vehicle for you all. And I really think you guys are going to like what I have in store. What I'm bringing to the channel is definitely going to bring another car culture community to the channel. So it's not going to be just 10th gen related. So I'm excited to see the growth to my channel from that, and also build a project that I've always wanted to have since I was a little kid. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. A new vehicle is coming to the channel soon. It's been so hard for me not to tell you all what it is, but I'm constantly searching. I'm actually going to go look at a truck tomorrow morning. It's about an hour away. So hopefully it works out and everything is as advertised, and I will be bringing that vehicle home to the house, put it in this nice new oversized 2-car garage, and that's where I'm going to leave it at I'm just going to leave it at that because I don't want to say too much. But I want to thank you all once again. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. We have 2 major mods coming: oil cooler from MA Performance, and we have the Stage 3 Acuity shifter. I cannot wait to get those parts put on my car. But once again, thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.
Okay, it's Rat Pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.